starts recording everything happening on your computer, right? So when you have that open, then you want to go back. Then you want to go open your Tinkercad, right? So as the assignment says here, you want to use Tinkercad. Let's do that assignment again. All right, so as the assignment says, you want to use Tinkercad, which is this one here. Next assignment. Okay, so this one here, right? No, not this one. This is retake quiz. All right. Okay, so Tinkercad, right? If you guys open Tinkercad, that should be, if you type in Tinkercad like this, it's another web-based program, okay? So it brings you here. You click on Tinkercad here. Now, I think you needed to create an account. So let's see. So you click on this tile boxes, the colored tile boxes on the top part there, and that opens Tinkercad for you. Let me go back up a little. All right, so sign in. All right, what's my sign in again? I think I probably have a generic sign in. Is that username or password? Email. Okay, so I'm going to use my email. My email would have been POKOYE .LMUSD. Okay, at Gmail. I recognized LMUSD@gmail.com. Okay, so let me see. Now there's another option, I think, with account sign in using social providers. Nope. Okay, let me remember my username now. I haven't used it in a while since I made that assignment. Probably have it on my phone somewhere. Okay, so okay, so once you guys get here, right? If you create an account, you need to put your username and password. You get here, and then if you want to start a new drawing, you just got to click on this button here says create new design, right? So if you click on create new design, right? Or you can just click on this tiles here, the color tiles, the orange, yellow, and blue. Click on that. I think it should take you to start a new drawing. Let's see. Create new design. 3D designs. Okay, so 3D designs, right? So here, it brings you to a new file where you're making a new drawing, right? Okay, and I'm going to play my video that I recorded for you guys, okay? For that Tinkercad assignment. That should be over here. Let's go to Introduction to Engineering. Okay, here. Are you guys still there? All right. So if I go here, what's this thing acting up for now? Failed to load? Nope. All right. What is going on? Okay, there we go. All right, so if I go to Introduction to Engineering, right, I will open up the video I recorded already. So it's going to explain to you guys a little, and that will be here. The second assignment for the class is this one, online assignment, this one here. So here, right, so that's the video I recorded of how I did it. So I'm going to play that video for you guys a little, right? Oops. All right, I think I copied the number one as well, so let me get rid of that one. All right, so here we go. So I'm playing that video back for you guys here. Yep, so I'm going to put that in here. Okay, so by the way, it's also better if you guys create an if you create like a YouTube video, that would Hello everybody. So using Screencast-O-Matic, all you have to do was type in Screencast-O-Matic on the screen on the dashboard of your web browser, and then you open this page here. You type in Screencast-O-Matic. So you click on this orange button twice, to get to where I am right now. You're going to see this window, this dotted line window. If you don't see it immediately, you want to minimize things you're seeing, maybe to the background or something, that will appear just open. Okay. So here, and when that opens, I'm going to take you guys through using Tinkercad, right? So Tinkercad again, you search in your browser, Tinkercad, and you click on the. Can you guys hear the recording? You open the page, right? Where it says Tinkercad. Giovanni? Click on it, and you get here. So Sammy, can you guys hear the recording? See, this is the workplace, this blue work mat. Yeah. Now, it's better to work with a mouse, okay? So when you have your mouse USB plugged in, or when you have the connected connector plugged in, you want to hold down the right button and then move to change the view, because this work plane lets you see what you're working on from different angles, like the orbit in Inventor, okay? And then now the task I wanted you guys to do was to model a wrench, right? So a wrench has the bell part, the ball circle part, has the handle wrench, handle, and then has the other end of it, the one the work part of it that has the different shapes.